First, remove the cap with the Jura label. Now you have to remove the strips above and below the cap. Push them upwards with a flat screwdriver and take them away to expose 4 Jura screws. Use a Jura screwdriver, you can find a link in the description, or make one yourself. Look on your screw stock and find some IKEA furniture connectors. Squeeze them with some pliers to make them oval. There are 2 screws for the left panel and 2 for the right one. Once you remove the screws, just pull the side panel towards you. These are the locations of the screws that needs to be unscrewed to remove the brew group. Reassembling is easy, just don't forget any screws or parts. You might replace the Jura screws by normal ones to make it easy to open the machine next time. If you find this video useful, please consider buying me a cup of coffee. See the link in the description. If there are any questions, please use the comments. Thank you for watching.